What's going on, Domination Crew? Today's video is going to be something a little bit more intimate. Going to be, me, you, the camera, the face, this mug right here. But anyway, guys, we're not going to be super formal today. We're not going to be sitting on a couch doing a round table. I'm actually in a car right now. I'm in the RS. If you guys can see the stitching, yes, you can. All right, you guys can see the stitching on the seats. But so we're going to be going over probably the number one reason why people are not successful with e-commerce, whether that's Amazon, Shopify, eBay, whatever it is. You guys are not successful with it. Well, not all of you guys, but there's a good majority that are not successful with it. And that's due to the fact that they haven't even tried. That is the number one reason why people are not successful with e-commerce, affiliate marketing, anything, whatever they're trying to get into. That is the reason why they're not successful, period. They're not giving their all. They're not giving 100%. I can't even tell you how many DMs, Facebook messages, emails that we get from people talking about, I don't know where to begin, or do you have any tips, or can you coach me, or what business model should I get into, or I don't know where to begin, you need to help me, like I want to make 6 figures a year, but I haven't started yet. I don't know how to do product research. I don't know this, I don't know that. Guys, you have to be willing to go for it. Like, there's no other way. Like, yeah, you need to do your product research. There's things that you need to figure out what you're good at. But guys, if you don't even start, you can't be successful. The reason why we did over $300,000 our first year is because we at least tried. We started. We didn't have all the answers. I remember literally going to Dan with an idea. This wasn't even a fleshed out idea, mind you. This was just an idea. Me and Dan were going to get into real estate, in which we're still going to do, and we'll probably be talking about that later. But we were going to get into real estate together. And I went to Dan, and I'm like, I have an idea. Lightning had just struck my brain. We should be selling on Amazon. Bro, we got to sell on Amazon. Like, Shopify isn't cutting it. It's just not making the money that we need. Scaling up is a little bit more difficult in that arena. We can sell on Amazon. Trust me. Just trust me. It took a lot of faith for him to trust me, and, for him to trust me and give up some money at that, guys. Like, he had to put up some money, because I had to put up some money too. But that's besides the point. The point is, my arm's getting tired, so I'm gonna sit you guys right here. We're gonna be discussing right here. The point is, you guys gotta try. Me and Dan, we put our own money up, and we're like, you know what? Even if we're not successful right away, we're gonna be successful. We're gonna try this, and we're gonna make this happen. And that's what you guys have to do. Like, we preach it. You have to take action. If you don't take action, you can't be successful. There's no way around it. Like, you can't wake up and be like, oh yeah, I'm just magically gonna do 6 figures a year and everything's gonna work out. No. The reason why you're not doing 6 figures a year is because you guys aren't taking action. You have to be willing to take action. You have to be willing to take risks. Guys, there's a link in the description below for our free ebook. You can get our ebook and it'll help you start. It's a fast track to get started selling. It's not super in depth like the rest of our training or like our one-on-one coaching, but it'll at least get you somewhere. If you guys are confused on like what to do, where to start, where to go, like, ooh, man, I'm messing this all up, man. We moving all over the place. I probably won't be doing this too often, but that's besides the point, guys. Like, you really should be giving it your all. You guys have to at least try. Like I said, there's so many emails that we get, so many messages from people that they just want everything done for them. And unfortunately, that's not going to work. No one did anything for us. We did it all on our own. Like, when we say we truly mean we. Just me and Dan, we did this on our own. We didn't have, parents with millions of dollars or doctors, lawyers, whatever, to just fund our ventures. Like, we had to do it on our own, and it was tough. You guys have to grind it out. You have to be willing to hustle. You guys have to be willing to struggle for it. If you want it as bad as you say you do, you have to give your all to it. You have to be willing to sacrifice. You guys have to be willing to do the product research. You have to be willing to put any effort and do your listings and optimize the listings. Like, yes, we're going to teach you, and yes, we coach you, but guys, the hard work has to be done on your own. You know, there's like, we're not going to be there 24/7 to ride you through all of this. Like, yeah, some of our students, you know, we help them from start to finish because that's what they pay us to do, you know. But for the people that are just randomly messaging and emailing thinking that, you know, all right, tell me exactly what to do, you have to know what you're good at. You have to know what you want to sell. You have to pick a niche. Like, guys, we even gave you niches. Like, there's videos on our channel where we gave you niches to sell in. You know, the baby niche, the kid niche is huge. It's huge. If you don't know where to begin, start selling baby products. Period. If that doesn't work for you, start selling pet products. Period. Like, those two things right there will make you money because people love their children and they love their pets. You will make money. You find a winning product, and guess what? You're going to be drop shipping on Amazon. So it's almost impossible for you not to find a winning product. Guys, private label drop shipping is not against Amazon's terms of service. Private label drop shipping is A-OK to do. You're using a third party to fulfill your items. You're not drop shipping from Walmart or Target. You're using a third party to fulfill your items. You can test hundreds of products through Amazon because there's natural traffic. People are going to look for those products. There is literally no way that you cannot be successful if you follow what we're teaching you. You know, the whole reason we teach you this is because we want you guys to be successful, and we know anyone can be successful. We've never had a student not sell anything. Our first student, we'll probably be doing an interview with her soon. Our first student, first official one-on-one coaching in person. I can't say like first student, but first person that we coached one-on-one in person. One product, she did 4 figures. One product, she was able to do 4 figures. Guys, you can do the exact same thing, guys and gals, I'm sorry. But you guys can do the same thing. You can literally do the same thing. You have to just go for it and start. Like, the whole reason a lot of you are not successful is because you're not willing to commit. You want everything done for you, and that is not the way it works. You're not even willing to try. You're not even willing to take action, and that's why you're not successful. If you don't take action, you can't win. You cannot be successful unless you take action. And I'm so sorry that a lot of you guys may feel like I'm singling you out, which I'm not. I'm just saying this in general because we get tons of messages from people, you know, asking these questions, the same questions over and over and over. And when we tell them, hey, you should do this, I don't want to do that. I don't want to do that. It's not for me. I don't want to do that, see? Muggsy, I'm not going to do that, see? It's too much work, see? I just want $1 million, see? It doesn't work that way. You got to actually put the effort in. You guys have to actually try. And I can't convey that enough to you guys. Like, I can't tell you enough that you have to be willing to do for yourselves. If you're not willing to do for yourselves, then who's going to be willing to do it for you? Like, if you're not at least willing to try and give it your all, like, why would we go out of our way to make sure that you're super successful if you're not even willing to invest in yourself? Like, if you're not willing to invest in yourself, then don't expect other people to be willing to invest in you. All right? So that's the topic. That's why you guys are not successful. That's why the unsuccessful people are not successful. That's why you guys aren't successful, because you're not willing to take action. You guys haven't even tried. You guys have just sat there and you're not willing to commit. You're either, you know, half out, not even half in, you're just half out. Like, I don't know if this is going to work. You got to be willing to commit. You got to give it your all. There's no other way around it. Make sure you guys like and comment and subscribe. Make sure you comment down below and say, you know, and tell me if you guys like this kind of, you know, more personal format. You know, I think it's kind of cool. I don't know. Maybe I'll do a few more while Dan's away, you know, while he's, you know, helping people out there in California and I'm still here in PA. You know, maybe I'll do more intimate settings, more personal. But anyway, guys, you know, I will be catching you later. Enjoy the rest of your day. Go out there, take action, make some money. All right? Make some money. Cool. Peace.